Welcome to Roaming the World, where we embark on an incredible journey to uncover the hidden gems, cultural wonders, and natural marvels that our amazing planet has to offer. Let's dive into one of the most iconic natural wonders on the planet, Niagara Falls State Park. From its breathtaking beauty to its fascinating history, Niagara Falls State Park has so much to offer. In today's episode, we're uncovering the top 10 facts you need to know before visiting this incredible destination. Fact number 1. Oldest state park in the U.S. Did you know that Niagara Falls State Park is the oldest state park in the United States? Established in 1885, it was created thanks to the efforts of the Free Niagara movement, led by landscape architect Frederick Law Olmsted. Fact number 2. 3 major falls. The park is home to 3 stunning waterfalls: Horseshoe Falls, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls. Together, they form the famous Niagara Falls. First up is Horseshoe Falls, the largest and most powerful of the 3. With its massive 2,600-foot wide crescent shape, it boasts an impressive flow rate of around 600,000 gallons of water per second. It's this immense power that gives it its name and makes it the most dramatic of the falls. Next, we have American Falls. This waterfall is distinguished by its rugged, rock-strewn face and a height that ranges between 70 to 100 feet. Though not as wide as Horseshoe Falls, its sheer force and the constant movement of falling boulders create a dynamic, ever-changing landscape. Lastly, there's Bridal Veil Falls, the smallest of the 3. Despite its size, it's equally captivating with its delicate, veil-like appearance. This fall is separated from American Falls by a small island and adds its own charm to the overall spectacle. Together, these 3 waterfalls create the breathtaking and iconic Niagara Falls experience, each contributing its unique beauty and power to the awe-inspiring view. Fact number 3. Massive water flow. But what truly makes Niagara Falls extraordinary is the staggering amount of water that cascades over these falls every second. Approximately 3,160 tons of water flow over Niagara Falls continuously, with Horseshoe Falls handling about 90% of this volume. Fact number 4. International border. Niagara Falls State Park is located on the American side of the Niagara River, which serves as the border between the United States and Canada. You can even see the Canadian city of Niagara Falls, Ontario from the park. The international nature of Niagara Falls means that you get to experience a cross-border spectacle. It's not just a natural wonder, but also a symbol of the close connection between the United States and Canada, celebrating the beauty that brings people together from both sides of the border. Fact number 5. Geological wonder. The falls were formed around 12,000 years ago during the last ice age. The retreating glaciers left behind a landscape that led to the creation of the Niagara River and its mighty waterfalls. As the glaciers melted, they released enormous volumes of water, which flowed into the newly formed Niagara River. The river began cutting through the landscape, eventually creating the stunning Niagara Gorge. The geological activity continues to this day, as the falls gradually erode the rock face and reshape the landscape. This ongoing process is a testament to the power of nature and the ever-changing beauty of Niagara Falls. So, when you visit Niagara Falls, you're not just witnessing a natural wonder. You're experiencing a dynamic geological phenomenon that has been sculpted by thousands of years of natural forces. Truly remarkable. Fact number 6. Cave of the Winds. One of the park's most popular attractions is the Cave of the Winds tour. Wooden walkways take you right to the base of Bridal Veil Falls, where you can feel the power of the rushing water up close. Fact number 7. Observation Tower. The Niagara Falls Observation Tower extends out over Niagara Gorge, providing panoramic views of all 3 falls. It's the only place in the park where you can see both the American and Horseshoe Falls at the same time. Fact number 8. Illumination and fireworks. Every evening, the falls are illuminated with colored lights, creating a spectacular nighttime display. During the summer and on special occasions, fireworks shows add to the visual splendor. Fact number 9. The Niagara Whirlpool. Just downstream from Niagara Falls, you'll find a fascinating natural phenomenon known as the Niagara Whirlpool. The whirlpool is a massive, natural vortex created by the powerful flow of the Niagara River as it makes a sharp turn. This whirlpool is one of the largest in North America, with a diameter of about 1,200 feet, 365 meters. The swirling motion of the water is both mesmerizing and awe-inspiring. Visitors can view the whirlpool from several vantage points along the river or take a boat tour that brings you up close to this incredible feature. It's a thrilling way to witness the raw power and beauty of the Niagara River in action. The Niagara Whirlpool adds another layer to the stunning natural beauty of the Niagara region, offering a unique and captivating sight that's definitely worth a visit. Fact number 10. Hiking trails. The park features a variety of hiking trails that allow visitors to explore its natural beauty. The Great Gorge Railway Trail follows the route of a historic railway along the Niagara River, offering stunning views of the gorge and the falls. Along the way, you'll find historical markers and interpretive signs that provide fascinating insights into the area's history and geology. It's a wonderful way to learn about the park while enjoying its natural beauty. Whether you visit in the spring when wildflowers are in bloom, in the summer when the greenery is lush, in the fall when the foliage is vibrant, or in the winter when the park becomes a snowy wonderland, the hiking trails of Niagara Falls State Park offer a constantly changing and always beautiful experience. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey exploring the top 10 facts about Niagara Falls State Park. We hope you enjoyed discovering the wonders of this iconic destination as much as we did.